Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a white outline on a photo in Canva. So for this edit, I've already prepared two photos, the one with the usual photo and the one with like a specific object on it without a background. So first I'm going to make a white outline for this photo. So what you do is just click on the photo, go to edit image, and then scroll down until you find the shadow sections and choose the glow. Click on that, and then after that go to the adjustment here, click on adjust, and then adjust the size, and here lower the blur and make the transparency bigger and change the color into white like this. And there you go, the white outline has been created like this, and you can just click on apply. And to do this for this photos right here is also the same. You can just go to edit image, go to shadows, and choose the glow, the one. Okay, adjust it, adjust the transparency, change the color into white, and then lower the blur, and then adjust the size like so. Okay guys, so that's all from me. That is how you can make an outline to photos in Canva. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on thanks, like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next following videos. Thank you.